Assalamu alaikum. I am Yasmin Maan, Head of Architecture Department at Lahore College for Women University. Talking of Lahore College for Women University, this is Asia's largest women university with about 15,000 students enrolled here in more than 34 departments. Architecture department was introduced here in 2012, and we offer a 5-year degree program, a bachelor's degree, which is fully in accordance with guidelines and layouts of Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, as well as Pakistan Council of Architects and Town Planners. Meeting all the necessary requirements of quality education and proceeding towards maintaining an international portfolio, we signed a collaboration with Philippines School of Business Administration focusing on their disaster risk management unit. The MOU was signed with a very strategic focus towards development of faculty, research profile of the department, and most important, our students. Following this, one visit was conducted by myself as a resource person in their international workshop, which was conducted in Manilla. Following that, another elaborate research forum was conducted at Lahore College for Women University, where PSBA, the Disaster Risk Management Unit, was led by Professor Dr. Tabassum Raza, who is the Dean and Associate Director at their Graduate School of Business. Ms. Joy Belmont, who is the Mayor of Quezon City Government, and her other staff members, they also honored this occasion. Ms. Joy Belmont is a professor at DRMU PSP, herself being an archaeologist. The theme was selected as architectural education towards disaster mitigation, which is a very important area that has to be focused by the designers, architects, and everybody who is involved in construction industry. This was a 3-day event. The first day was Introduction to Global Culture and Heritage Management in Pakistan. We were blessed enough to have all kinds of expertise, from starting off from historians, urban designers, architects currently working for LDA, our theory researchers, myself was one of the speakers of the session, Dr. Kamarul Islam, who's APA ambassador in Pakistan, talking about disaster risk management techniques in rural areas as well as urban areas. The second day was themed as Architectural Solutions for Disaster Risk Reduction in Earthquake Affected Areas of Pakistan, for which again there was a vibrant set of speakers. The session was chaired by our worthy Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bushra Mirza, and the chief guest was Mr. Mahmood Rashid, who is currently the Minister of Housing Schemes and Punjab Government. The session proved to be very productive in the sense that the students from all across Pakistan, from various institutes of architecture, were present there. The practicing regime was there, and so were the policymakers. So altogether, the solutions to problems as indicated by the speakers were well addressed by the policymakers in form of their concise agreement, and, although it was all during the discussion. The third day was scheduled for students' workshop. Our students of 4th year, which are, although the whole department, all the students here are very energetic and ambitious girls, but 4th year, as they are the senior most group in this department right now, they were given 3 different themes as per their contents in the course: urban design, conservation, and disaster mitigation, for which 3 groups led and compiled the research conducted by respective groups working all together in the classes. They presented their work to incoming international delegates, and it was highly appreciated by the Mayor of Quezon City. The second half of the day was for signing another memorandum between Lahore College for Women University, Architecture Department, and some other departments with the Mayor Office and PSPA in Manila, Philippines. The caption line or the most important product of this MOU is going to be the group of students who are going to conduct internships in Manilla and representing Lahore College for Women University Architecture Department here. So I think this session proved to be very fruitful in the regard that it evolved a lot of policies which are very necessary in mitigating our settlements, may it be the rural area or our cosmopolitans or urban design. I think disaster mitigation is one discipline that architects really need to put their attention towards. Honoring our guest from Philippines, Ms. Joy Belmont, the department had arranged for a visit, and the 3-day session concluded on the visit, which was conducted to Harappa site. The students accompanied the faculty and members from administration of Lahore College for Women University, accompanied the delegates. And altogether it was a very fruitful session, and we anticipate that in all times to come, Architecture Department in its usual record of conducting such research forums, collaborative activities, we will keep on doing such events in future as well, and I hope that the girls and our graduates do learn and experience a great deal out of it. Thank you.